Hi everyone, I'm glad you've come to Cook with Victoria. Today I'll be sharing a recipe and it is oven baked fish. And the fish we'll be using today is the sea bass. So tasty and so easy to do. Just follow this recipe step by step and you will get it right. You can never get it wrong. So come along with me and let's do this together. For our oven baked sea bass, I will be using lemon juice, chili powder, salt, onion powder, olive oil, homemade seasoning, bay leaves, and some of spring onions. Sea bass fish itself, it has been cleaned. Now I'm going to be mixing everything together. The measurement of what I'm using is in the description box. Check it out. Combine. This is our paste. All the ingredients are put together. I'll just flip on the fish. And what I'll be doing now is put bay leaf, which is optional. Just put bay leaf in it and spring onion. It's just going to make it tastier. I just want to cut the sides so that the seasoning will go in very well. So open it up and season it. The bay leaf and the spring onion. So it looks like this. Just check out these beauties. We're going into the oven for about 20 minutes, 180 degrees Celsius, and they've rested for about 30 minutes in the fridge. It's good for you to rest for about 30 minutes so that everything will go inside, well cooperated, and off it goes into the preheated oven. Our sea bass is ready, and I must tell you that you can use any fish of your choice. Let's see. Wow, oh, look at it. You need to try this. This is the way you love to be doing your fish. Oh, this is so nice. When it comes to cooking, you just keep on exploring, and as you explore, you will discover, and as you discover, you will enjoy, and you will enjoy better. Today we have done the recipe and we know how it turned out to be so super easy and so super tasty. So if you love what you've seen so far, why don't you give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and let them know how to do it the same way we did it today. And you know Christmas is coming, you can do it for Christmas. And don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section. If you have not yet subscribed and you are still watching this video, please do by clicking on the subscribe button, and also press on the notification bell, as this will allow you to be notified each time I upload new video. Till next time, bye.